Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you all how to cut and sew a trendy structured sleeve easily, just like I did on my client's outfit. This is a corset gown. I have a detailed tutorial on how to cut and sew a corset on the channel. I'll drop the link in the description box. If you love to learn how to make this sleeve, then keep on watching to the end. Please click on the subscribe button. It is free, so let's get started. So the first thing is to place your fabric on fold into two. I'm using a doll face bridal satin. Then place your basic short sleeve pattern on it and measure 6 inches. Then I measured 4 inches vertically here. So then I ruled a straight line, that is the 6 inches that I measured. Then I made a style line following the shape of the armhole. Then the length of the sleeve is 12 inches. Then I just drew a straight line to know where my pattern gets to. Then I ruled a straight line at the side of the sleeve. Then the next thing I did was to measure 9 inches like so. Then I made a curve from the hem of the sleeve to the 9 inches mark. You can use your free hand and you can use your pattern master if you have it. Then I cut out on that line, then cut out along the armhole and cut the sides. So this is what we have. Then I just place my pattern on it so that I can know where to notch. That is the part that will give us the structured puff sleeve. So I notched that part because we are going to be pleating that area. So the next thing is to place the fabric that we cut out on another fabric on fold into two, following the shape of the one we cut out earlier. So we are going to cut 4 of it. That is, 2 of the sleeve will serve as our main sleeve, while the remaining 2 will serve as our lining. So then I go ahead to iron the collar stay on it. That's my small apprentice coming to disturb me. So the next thing I did was to take it to my machine and sew a 2 inches crinoline on the part that we attach our collar stay. So we are sewing the crinoline at the hem of the fabric, ½ inch away from the hem of the sleeve. Ensure that you don't draw the crinoline so that it can give you the standing effect that we want on the sleeve. So then I go ahead to cut out the remaining parts. Then the next thing I did was to top stitch on the crinoline to prevent it from shifting here and there, to make our work easier. So the next thing, the other part of the sleeve, I attached a paper stay on it. So place the sleeve together, let the right side face each other like so. The part that we attach the paper stay will be the one outside, while the part that we attach the crinoline will be the one serving as our lining, so that all our rough work will be inside the sleeve. So the next thing now is to sew close to the ½ inch that we used in joining the crinoline earlier. Note that we are sewing the hem of the sleeve, not the armhole area. So that is what we have, as you can see. So the next thing I did was to notch so that it can lay flat. Ensure that you don't cut your seam lines. Then turn it to the right side like so and give it a good press. next thing is to cut out the unwanted parts at the armhole area, that is the excess. So you just cut it out just like I'm doing. It doesn't affect anything. And also cut out the excess at the side of the sleeve. You can see the hand of my baby right there. She is really disturbing me. So she wanted to switch off the machine. So let's continue. The next thing is to join the sides of the sleeve. So just hold the sleeve together and flip one over the 3 sleeves. So we are joining the sides of the sleeve now. Ensure you sew it gently. And don't forget to back stitch as well, so that your stitch will not loosen. Cut out the unwanted threads, then turn the sleeve to the right side, just like I'm doing. So I'm turning it to the right side here, just like you can see. So the next thing I did was to top stitch at the armhole area to make it stay in place, so that it will be easier for us to join the sleeve to the armhole of our garments. So just watch what I'm doing here. So I'm top stitching. So at this point my baby was really disturbing, so I had to stand up to attend to her. Then I came back to continue with the tutorial, and it was already getting dark, so I had to switch on the light. So this outfit was actually for a client, and it was an express work, so I just decided to make a tutorial on the sleeve. Since I've already done a tutorial on the corset, it's up on the channel. You can watch it. It is detailed how to cut and sew a corset. Please give this video a thumbs up, comments, you can drop your questions, I'll answer you all, and please click on the subscribe button. It helps to grow the channel. It is absolutely free when you subscribe. You don't have anything to lose. Thank you as you do so. So the next thing I'm doing is to pleat from that part that I notched, that 4 inches part, and this is what we have after pleating. Then the next thing is to join it to the sleeve of your garments. You can see how beautiful and lovely it is. So that is it. That is our final result after sewing. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, share with your friends and loved ones. So that is it. So it's so beautiful and lovely. You can see. So that is what we have right there. So thank you guys for watching. So this is it. It is so beautiful and I love it so much. So we shouldn't be limiting ourselves to just one kind of sleeves, so ensure you try it out. It is super easy and beautiful to make. It will enhance your garment look. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.